and even we have our mga sponsors, ang ating na partners. Indeed, it reminds us of God's faithfulness at sa inyong nga lugar, sa inyong lugar, Lord, na experience nila,
Tsura ko na mo, dapat kimon. Amon pa. So ito, dalo ba ako ito yan? Ito.
Sa slums of Bolivar, dito, ibinat ako. So, pag dito, for me, the education is a big
And that's what this program is all about, is giving people a chance. And when people finally get that break.
Enjoyed as a kid in Camps and Child. That was great. I attended the kids ministry, and that's where.
And to see what God has done in your lives. It's worth every minute, every mile, every dollar, every prayer, every tear to be able to see what God's done in your life and is going to do in your lives. Again, here we are, 20 years later, still faithful. I could not have done it, and it could not be what it is, a scholarship program without. So she sees it, she says, yes, I will make that better, and she has. I'm so impressed with everything she's done. So if she gives you her time, it's because she sees something important in you.
Memorize mo ang memory verse. May preview ka na dalon pa ulit. Mama.
Driven by the love and the support of his parents and his unshakable faith. In the end, years of dedication, he graduates as a criminology student, ready to pursue his dream of making a world a safer place.